A, B, C, Creative Studio. Making a plastic spoon floral design. Prepare a paper plate to put your floral design. Cut a foam sheet like this for the leaves. Make 4 pieces of this. After you cut, paste it with glue gun on the paper plate. Now, you can start to make your flower made off plastic spoon. Covered with a floral tape or any green that it covers the spoon. After you cover, paste in with glue gun on the top of the leaves. Cut a paper like this to make another small leaves to put on the floral spoon. Get a popsicle to make a fence. You can add on a ready-made flowers to enhance your artwork. Now, you can put your fence below your flowers and paste it with glue gun. Get a cord to make a holder of your floral design. Put a ribbon on the center to make more attractive. Put beads on the top of it. It's done. You created an amazing artwork. Well done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.